Hey guys, Beast again from Geek Guys, and in front of me is not a smartphone but an actual dream. This smartphone, when it released, I was like so obsessed with this smartphone that I wanted this so bad that I needed to get this phone. Like by hook or crook, I needed this device. This is the Galaxy Z Flip 5G. This was the device when the Samsung promised that it is water resistant, which I was seriously looking forward to have like in a foldable. And from the day one, I love the clamshell design. I'm obsessed with the phone that is Nokia 6353, I guess. That is like a flip phone. I love that phone. I have used that phone for like straight up 5-6 years, but it died, so I definitely need a replacement. This will be the replacement for that device. I am happy. I cannot even tell you how much happy I am to hold this phone in my hand, to own it, to feel it. I am so excited. So let's get started with this video. So right off the bat, I bought this for 88,000 rupees, and for like there is a cashback from Samsung on the HDFC credit cards and debit cards. So yeah, I definitely got that. So I got it for around 82,000 Indian rupees. Actually, I already shot a small clip, but the mic was not on. So yeah, I'm so sorry. Unboxing this device again, and like it is so amazing. I cannot even give you an idea how much amazing it feels to fold this display in half. I am stoked about it. I love this clamshell design. I love this phone. I am obsessed with folding phones. I cannot even express enough. This is the only thing that we get in the box. This is a Type-C cable and some like crap paperwork. Thank you, Apple, for not including the charger and a SIM ejector tool. I have already populated the SIM inside it, but I have not set this device up. So yeah, definitely let's boot this device for the second time, I guess. So yeah, this is the display. This is the bigger display of this is the bigger display. This is the 6.5 inches display, and on the outside, I guess it is almost how much? Yeah, it is 1.1 inches. The outward display is only 1.1 inches, and it looks sick. The camera is 12 megapixel ultra wide, 12 megapixel main, where main has the OIS and like selfie camera. I guess the internal one is 10 megapixel. I am so stoked about this device. I cannot even have like words in my mind. I cannot even make up words for this device. First of all, this is 120 Hz OLED display, LTPO OLED display, and yeah, it folds in half. I love this device. I like cannot even express how much. But the biggest con of this device, I can think straight off the bat, takes me to this S9, which has a puny 3000 mAh battery. This has the same 3300 mAh battery. So yeah, the S9 has a very poor battery, but it also has an Exynos chip that really sucks. But this has a Snapdragon 888 inside, so I guess it will be a bit better than the Samsung, but we have to see what will happen. No matter how coolness factors the LG G8X had, that it had like a display, the day that I got this, the display, that the secondary display it had, and I was like, dude, I need a display that is attached to the phone, and I finally got it of a sort, because the fold is really expensive. So yeah, definitely this is something that is like a pathway into the like a new system. So I'm just transferring up my data from this LG G8X to the new fold. So I guess I'll skip that and I'll do it later. But yeah, definitely. And somehow it feels durable, because it is like very like a resistive hinge. It is not like that it will automatically close in half or like open in like half. Definitely it is amazing. The amount of precision they have like baked into this device is surreal. Guys, seriously, this device is like one of the mainstream foldables, and yeah, definitely Samsung has got like all the beans right here. I guess this is the first premium device that I have bought in like forever. So yeah, definitely that is such a like surreal thing for me, such a big deal to me. Yeah, so that I am enjoying each and every moment with this device. So definitely it is showing some things that you need to take care of this, that do not press this and do not fold this device, and do not fold this device, and also like put coins or cards next to this. This device is only IPX8, so please make sure that it is all away from salt water or alcohol. Do not remove the main protector film. It has a protector film. this device, the OLED display on this, I guess it is not running at 120 Hz as of now, but I'll turn that on. Motion smoothness adaptive, apply. It is already on that. So it is an LTPO OLED display. That means it will dynamically adjust according to the situation we have got. It is a little bit warm because I have just started up, and also this device does not come with a charger, so I had to buy one. So I also got this 45 watt fast charger. I know this only supports 15 watts of fast charging. Sorry, that is a bummer that we do not even get 25 watts of fast charging. So I got the 45 one because I have some devices that will need 45 watts charging, that I will cover in the later video. That is also one thing. So definitely this is a cable as well as a charger inside this. That is enormous brick. So that is that, and also a Type-C cable. That is a robust Type-C cable. So yeah, definitely there are some things with this device, do's and don'ts. This is a fragile device, so yeah, definitely you have to be careful with this device. The battery life is going to be a little on the lower side because this is as similar as to the S9, but in regards it has a better, brighter, and like much faster display as in 120 Hz. So definitely that is also the case. But other than that, I don't think so there is gonna be something that I'm gonna like hate about this device, because I love the flip design and I have been the fan of the flip series from the beginning. So guys, this was probably it for the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 5G. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you enjoyed it, please make sure to like this video and also consider subscribing to my channel. This has been Beast from Geek, guys, and hope to see you in my next video. Thank you guys.